Good morning, fourth graders. Today your objective is to review 10 times the number and comparing numbers. So this morning you're going to need your whiteboard marker and eraser with your place value chart at the top. You're going to need your notebook and a pencil. So if you need those things, grab them right now. All right, the first thing that you need to do is you'll see here that you have some problems right here that you need to copy into your notebook. So you can do these problems along with me, but I'll leave it as an option. You can wash through, but these must be done in your notebook. So the questions that I'm going to show you right now are not the same as these. So first I'm going to show you my own in our lesson, and then you are to go practice these using what we've learned. All right. So the first type of problem is comparing the values of the 5 in this number. And so you'll see that this says compare. And whenever we see compare, remember we're focused on greater than, less than, equal to, but also words like 10 times as many or 10 times less than. And so I know I'm focused on the value or how much the 5 is worth in this number. So I can see 1 5 here and 1 5 here. I'm going to put that number into my place value chart so I can clearly compare the values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, and millions. I need to correctly put the number into my place value chart. Now I have 455,672 inside of my place value chart. I can see that this 5 is worth 5 10,000s or 50,000. And so that's where I'm going to start. 1 5 has a value of 5 10,000s. And now this 5 has a value of thousands, so I know it's worth 5,000s. I remember that the relationship between these two 5s is every time I move to the left on my place value chart, the digit becomes 10 times greater than this digit. And so I can say 5 10,000s is 10 times greater than 5,000s. I can also say that 5,000s is 10 times less than 5 10,000s because we have a base 10 system. And so I'm going to practice writing that while looking at my model here. 1 5 has a value of 5 10,000s. The other 5 has a value of 5,000s. 5 10,000s or 50,000 is 10 times greater than 5,000s or 5,000. So I'm looking for the values, and I'm also looking for these two words 10 times. You should also have a model to support your ideas, but if you do it on your whiteboard, then that's okay with me. You just have to be able to show me later on. All right. The next step to your problems is compare using greater than, less than, or equal to. And you'll have problems that look kind of like this. Just like in your test, these must be put in standard form before comparing. If you just compare them and just add a greater than, less than, or equal to, it's going to be marked wrong until you add that standard form. So let's practice that together. Okay, this says 416,000s, but I know I can't just put 3 digits into my place value chart like that. Each place can only hold 1 digit. And so let me think. 416 thousands, 416 thousands. Well, I know it's not just my thousands place, but my thousands period. 416 thousands. Okay, so I can see that this unit form can be changed to standard form like this. And then 3,000s. Well, I know that I'm actually going to have to add these 3,000s because it's not just 6 anymore and it's not just 3. So I can see that this side of my comparison is no longer 416 thousands, 3,000s. It's actually 419,000. And so I rate it right above there or right below, whichever you prefer. Next, I have 215 thousands. And 80,000. So moving from expanded to standard, and that's nice and easy. I know all I have to do is make sure I put my digits and my numbers into my place value chart correctly, and then I can just add them. Again, I now write 295,000. And now it's nice and easy when I'm comparing these numbers. I can see that 419,000 is clearly greater. All right, so make sure you write all of the questions, all of your answers, and these must be changed into standard form. Have a great day.